What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up on ourselves, viewers and subscribers. Right now in the morning, I just want to say good morning to each and everyone out there. If a evening you watch the video, good evening. If a night, good night. If I in the afternoon, good afternoon, people. But right now in the morning, the attacking boss at work. People, right now, the topic I want me to deal with, this story that I'm going to cover right now, it is a very, very, very big one. And right now, people, I just hear about my rooster. So if I hear the rooster lick out in the morning, people, it's crazy right now. It's not joke thing right now. Your son and son are coming from rooster. Okay, no problem. Understand, people. This story, I have to hear about the rooster for crow. Well, people, first of all, before I start saying nothing more, I'm going to tell you something now. You see me, people, me is a very spiritual vlogger. If you never know, it's not just blogging and sittings and boom, boom, boom. No, I'm a very spiritual blogger. And there is some story, people, you may see out there you heard about and you just say, oh, the attacking boss not cover it. And then maybe a couple days after you see me jump on it. Number one, certain story, people, when them publish them out there, put them out there, me not get the information what me want. So me not trouble it, you understand? Because information where the news can have out there, people, it's different from what me really want and from where me have to dig and get. And me not go stop dig until me get. And if me not get none, people, me I go leave it and not work with where news say, because it just not make sense to me when, you know, certain story go out there. Well, the story I'm gonna cover, people, it is about an incident, about the information that was published the other day. And the title of this thing did said, American listed as person of interest in St. Elizabeth. I have seen where a lot of different, you know what I mean, bloggers and things which, you know, put out stuff and say, yeah man, police and what squad are full up down at St. Elizabeth I look for man and all heap of something people. Yeah, wish, you know, people will talk anything because they don't know nothing. I mean, I disrespect nobody, but as I'm telling people I'm different. I'm a really concerned people, number one, about my viewers and subscribers and what I'm putting to them, you know. At times we do fall off and then we're going to come back and make them know so and such and such. So I think right now some people who put out certain things owe them viewers and subscribers some apology. Because them now give the people them the credible news, you know what I mean? And that the attacking boss there for the right now, people. Alright. This thing go out the other day, people. Wish it was dry, dead. So let me just read this so you can understand the fullest of what I say. Or this thing just dry and dead. Alright. It is said, the Black River Police in St. Elizabeth have listed an American man as a person of interest. He is Alaric Gardner, otherwise called Al, of Santoy District in Orange Bay, Hanover, and New Britain in Connecticut, United States of America. He is being asked to visit the Black River Police Station immediately. In addition, anyone with information on Alaric Gardner's whereabouts is being asked to contact the Black River Police at 876-965-2232, the Police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So yeah, people, see it, American, them say, wanted, them says he is from Orange Bay, Hanover, and New Britain in Connecticut. Yeah, man. Okay. Well, people must out there think dry, you know. According to them, say police full up the nascent here, look for this man and something. Well, viewers and subscribers, NEWLINK I got digging and showing what I go on now. Zine, where this man a come off for now, people, why he was listed as wanted, and I'm gonna tell you, this man is a very dangerous man. So now when I must shiver up and I say, John, NEWLINK, why you say that? People, this man is a very heartless, cold, wicked, deadly, and everything I can think of. Well, truth of the matter is, yes, he is from Orange Bay in Hanover. Yes. Yes, he is an American citizen. Yes. People, this man is not in Jamaica. Okay? He is not in Jamaica. So when them are going to say if anybody at Jamaica see him, according to what them say contact this, nobody at Jamaica not going to see him because he's not in Jamaica. This man is in the United States of America. Alright. The thing where this thing I come off and why this man is wanted, people. I did cover a story, Sincere, where a female was gunned down at her home, people, in St. Elizabeth. In that story I covered, people, I did mention about her sister that was gunned down before her also. See pictures and pictures, man. Yeah, man. Okay? In the end, people, I talk, it was a very wicked and cruel act because one of the sister people was gunned down in front of her little boy and thing. You get me, I say? So, now, people, this thing is a big thing in St. Elizabeth that's been talking, you know what I mean? And I'm going to tell a lot of people left curious why an American, two sister gunned down. So, how comes the American listed and thing? Well, people, you don't know the attacking basket to work. And people in the ground, you know what I mean, down a senti. People who know the thing, who know the roots of thing, are going to reach out to the attacking boss. And people, I'm going to tell you what I go on now. Well, this man, Al, is married, people, right? Basically, divorced now, right? Alright, so they know he's married to a female who is the sister of these two women who was gunned down in St. Elizabeth. In the end, people, as I tell you, a man in the United States from Hanover, you understand, he take up the sister that he have in Jamaica over to the United States of America. They were living, people, together. In the process, people, this man carried the woman over America and torture the woman according to reports that is coming to NEWLINK. You understand? So it is alleged him beat the woman. It is said that the last beating him give the woman, people, she fell down off a staircase where it's about 3 floors, broke up her foot, them and thing, people, mash up, you know what I mean? Could even talk. Them said this woman was lucky. She can't even maybe walk now, people, because she was really damaged. In the end, government and thing, you know what I mean, have come in and help this lady and carry her because of safety, because her life was a threat, because when they move her and thing, people, this man was evil. Police of America was even looking for him, so he was hiding also. You know what I mean? They couldn't find him and something, people, so they have to put this lady at a safe house because her life was a threat, because this man I say him want her back and whole heap of something, people. In the end, this man turned things around, people, because he told his sister allegedly that he is going to turn her life upside down. In the process, people, right, after he told his sister that one of her sister was gunned down, and that's the story I'm telling you about, down there back in 2019, people. Yeah, down there in our home and thing, and while she did it, our home, people, she go around, so boom, man just come in her yard, boom, shoot her, kill her, boom, right in front of her youth. Her last sister, people, to be gunned down was at a business place that she operate, people. Man coming at the business, people, wasn't a robbery, boom, and kill her, people, in our business place, gone. Viewers and subscribers, before the other sister gunned down, right, this sister, you're seeing the picture now, people, this sister you're looking at right now, who is the wife who is living in the United States, right, she has a house that she is doing down in St. Elizabeth, people, and her house was set ablaze In the end, when they do the checks, you know, so them are going to check and think people. Because a lot of people are going to say, can't be maybe electrical problem, it can't be something trigger off or something. Well, at the time, people, this house that they have, no electricity was there because no one was really staying there, you understand? Because the sister who own this house, people, she's over in the United States fearing for her life, afraid can't come back because of the threats and thing. You know what I mean? People see her sister gunned down. This family, people, that I'm talking about, they said it's a loving family. But with everything that's been going on, and they know where everything I come over people, this family is tear apart. You know what I mean? Her family in Jamaica, people, have to be on police guard, you know, and at some safe house and thing, because they know when they see the destruction we reach two sisters, people. Two sisters gone down. And people on the ground down at St. Elizabeth know what go on. People down there see, you understand, hear everything. So it is big in St. Elizabeth, and they said they know where everything are come after. People, what I'm saying to you now is that this man is over there in the United States. You understand? Me think say everything good. Me think say everything merry. You get me? But they don't know people, and I'm going to tell you something now. So for a lot of criminals out there who think they can do things and call shots and stay a certain place, Jamaica now are getting deeper and better with investigations that they are doing. Maybe the process, it is not speedy like how they have expected to be like in the US. But you know, so in the US, people, a lot of times they have investigations and it can take up to a year, 2 years before they do solve it. So, in Jamaica, people, police are digging and them are gather up information. So, this man now, as I tell you, people, me feel everything merry for him, for all the wickedness of them do. And when I see the police then comes to boom people and say he's wanted, he is seriously wanted. And I'm telling you, anybody who is around this man surrounding, everybody who have connection with this man certain way, life is in serious problem also. It is no joke. Because basically, 2 alleged blood is on his shoulder, people. It can be more. But I'm coming off of this information that is coming to the attacking boss pertaining to this thing. So when people are saying that this man is down there in St. Elizabeth and is wanted, no, he's not going to go to St. Elizabeth, people. He is not from St. Elizabeth. He was married to a woman who is from St. Elizabeth. In the end, the people from St. Elizabeth know about the situation that's been going on. The people are really angry down there about these people. So you think he will take it in his heart, in himself, to go to St. Elizabeth? They know people where everything is coming off. They know him. They know Alric Gardner. You understand? They know him by the nickname Al because he used to be with this woman before. It wasn't like, say, it was just a thing where she just meet him and she just married him and boom, they did have a relationship together before, people. You get me? In the end, the man bring her over, so be a problem, be a destruction, be a beating and this, be a abuse, people. And as I can look at these picture, people, and you look at this woman, people, Zane, this is what maybe have this man confused, have this man mad. You know what I mean? Because you can see that this is a nice woman. You get me? In the process, people, she has lost 2 sisters. Her house in Jamaica touch a fire. You get me? As I said, police are doing their works. Police are digging. You get me? So, people are concerned, people, down in a St. Elizabeth. They reach out to me, people, and them are provide these things and them are make a noise to look here. You get me? I say, this is a big thing. So all me feel say everything good, everything great with him. Maybe you don't know what's been going on, but I'm telling you, he's going down. And I'm telling the people, the police down there not stop push, they not stop work until they do got him. So when a man may feel say he can be a foreign and call shots, and he feel say everything can be good pan inside because him they are foreign people, don't think it's so easy. You understand? Because yo, when they really get you, you ain't gonna be pretty. Okay. So viewers and subscribers, as I'm telling the people, this is something that you're not going to see finish right now. You see, just like how I did dig deep into the T3RS story, people. You understand? Only thing those news on the tomorrow get is because it was in Jamaica. You know what I mean? Who they want, they are Jamaica and everything. They never they overseas. So we could have flushed with the news and the information and every update that we get. And even we still awaiting some more update and the court they will still not get it again, people. So that good. But what I'm saying, people, back to basic with this one. We now go left this, people. This is story that we have about 2-3 part and that we done already. You know what I mean? Only thing, there's are not close uploads that we're doing on this story. But no, people, I'm telling you, this is a big one. And this man is a very dangerous, cruel, wicked, heartless, and wanted man right now by the police in Jamaica. So Mr. Alric Garden, Mr. Al from Santoy District in Orange Bay, Hanover, and the New Britain in Connecticut, United States, where the police listed as wanted and must turn himself immediately to the Black River Police Station. And for anyone who is whereabouts, listen, my man, it's a serious one. So I'm telling you, I'm not gonna say turn yourself in, because I know you're afraid, you think you do this, you spin, you turn around, but look here, it's only a second. Write down the clock. Time is winding down, and the Almighty up above is seeing you. Remember that. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is the attacking boss, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, people. And if you don't subscribe already, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell, so as I drop a video you will get them. Remember, people, please follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, you understand, on Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official. Because if you don't follow with page, people, you're in a problem. Because a lot of videos you don't see I posted on YouTube, which I can't. They're over there on my Instagram, people. Yeah, some really serious video about things happening in the world, in Jamaica, everywhere and there. So peace out and respect. And remember, people, we have a PayPal link below the video. So if you do want to give a contribution towards our channel, please do hit up our PayPal and give your contribution. I know this video is a very long one, but with story like these, people, really can't be short. Peace out and respect. Attack.